Next to me here is the brand new Renault 5. I've been seriously excited to work on this car as it's a major throwback to the old Renault GT turbos and the old Renault 5 era. It's very nostalgic. It's in for front end PPF, which I'll be doing off camera because I really want to get my head down and get it right. But you guys will be seeing the polishing, the ceramic, the cleaning, everything in between. As it stands, I've washed it and decontaminated it. It's now ready to go for the polishing, and the paintwork is in shocking condition. Considering he's just picked it up from the dealership, it's like they've washed it with a brick. So that's what we're going to take care of first. So with the polishing now complete on the car, this is usually the step people would use panel wipe on, give the car a wipe over with the panel wipe and then move on to the coatings. But I personally am not a fan of panel wipe. I've found in the past that it can actually leave little mini scratches in the paint itself, especially when I've done like gloss black cars and things like that. So I just get a clean polishing cloth and I just buff over it again. And obviously I use my light to make sure I've taken care of all the residue and things, and that usually seems to do the trick. So yeah, I've never really found a use for panel wipe, but yeah, gonna buff over it now and then move on to the interior and then get it ceramic coated. And so I'm very pleased to say the Renault 5 is done. It's been absolutely treated. Front end PPF, bonnet, bumper, even the roof has been done as well. The bumper had 3 separate pieces to go on. They've all been joined up beautifully, dare I say. Rest ceramic coated, polished, wheels taken care of, as you may have seen on the Instagram. Yeah, this thing's been treated. So the owner's coming in about half hour. I'm very excited to hand it over to him. And that is the end of the video as well. So if you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. There'll be a new video next week, potentially on, in fact, no, I'm gonna keep it a secret. It's a very, very nice car though. It rhymes with Rari. Anyway, that's enough from me. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.